First things first, I appreciate your support. I hope you guys are good. Before I proceed, let me talk to you. Yes, you. You've been seeing our work, you see our videos, you don't like, you don't share. What's going on? What's happening? Anyway, let's get into it. If you have a fully automatic machine, you need to book for maintenance. Everybody's buying the tablets. Yeah, they are good. Their marketing strategy is good, but they won't resolve this. This machine was in a terrible state. From the outside, it was good. To most clients, those tablets work. You're killing your machine. Let me tell you something about these detergents. These soaps, they are pure chemicals and they eat up the drum, the spider. That's why we insist on deep cleaning, because in case there's something that is stuck in there, we'll brush it off, ensure the machine is clean, then assemble it. But you don't want to book for maintenance. You think it's expensive. Wait until we hit you with the repair bill.